Well, hello everyone. Good morning. So I'm going to give you a little demo on the morning routine, and I am just going to put my hair up. There we go. That works. So you've got your packet right here for cleanser. I'm going to wet my face a little, and as far as the cleanser goes, a small amount actually goes a long amount I'm going to take. And like I showed before, you're just going to get it going in your fingertips and then just massage that in. You're not going to get a foam or anything, but you do want to, in the morning, wake the skin up and increase the circulation so you get the nutrients to your skin. So do circular motions and wake up your skin. Cleansers are great because they help to remove dirt and debris and oils from the skin, and it cleanses and it tones and it helps to nourish the skin. So once that's all in, and just go ahead and remove. You can also just rinse off and then use the towel to take off anything that's excess. And when you're actually rubbing off with a towel, here's a little bonus tip. You're actually getting a little exfoliation. You don't realize it, but you are. The skin is all ready to apply your moisturizer. Now you have two different moisturizers. You have your climate control, and then you have your daytime moisturizer. It's really important to put the climate control on first. So you're going to take a small, that is more than enough. That's probably enough for daytime and nighttime. So I got a little too much into your palms, and then just glide that all over. Take whatever's remaining onto your neck. The climate control is your pure hydration. It's really helping with your anti-aging. It's rushing new cells to the surface. And hydration is very different from moisture. So, even oilier skins need the hydration, need the moisture. So your packets are skin appropriate, and you want to make sure that you hydrate first with the climate control, pure hydration, and it really helps with anti-aging. So if your ultimate goal is to start some anti-aging skincare, you got to include the climate control in there. Now I'm going to go in with my daytime moisturizer, and like I said, small amounts go a long on my fingertips right here, and I'm just going to apply that all over the skin. Added bonus, I'm going to show you how to improve circulation and also do a little massage for your skin. So when you do this, you're actually helping to lift and give the muscles in your face some muscle memory by lifting upwards. So you're going straight into the hairline, you're going up to the cheekbone and pushing up. Neck, you can do two things. You can go up and down all the way across, and then you're going to go up like this so that we're working on lifting that double chin. So this is just a little added bonus. I do this because I want my skin to stay lifted and stay firm and increase the blood flow in your face, because when you increase blood flow, all the nutrients you're putting onto your skin get better absorbed into your cells, and that means you're going to have better looking skin. So take your ring finger. This is the last part. I use the eye illuminator in the morning because I want to brighten up my eye area. You can also just use the regular eye cream. The eye illuminator has a little bit of pearlizer. It helps your eyes look less tired by brightening up that area. It's kind of like the 5 o'clock perk up, because you can actually put it over makeup if you're feeling really blah, and you can see the difference between one side and the other. It just helps to brighten that up, and you just want to pat that in, tap on the ocular bone right here, and then smooth over the eye up top. See how when you put it on, you immediately notice that brightening effect? So that is the morning routine. So this is the start of 5 days and I'm so excited.